In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add travel times to your Google Calendar events. This feature is incredibly useful for those of us who need to manage our time efficiently, ensuring we arrive at our destinations without a hitch. So let's dive right in and explore how you can seamlessly incorporate travel times into your schedule using Google Calendar. First things first, open up Google Calendar. You can do this by navigating to the Google Calendar website on your preferred browser. Once you have your calendar open in front of you, identify the event that includes a location you wish to add travel time to. This is often a meeting, an appointment, or any other type of event where you'll need to travel from one place to another. Now click on that specific event. You'll see the event details page where all the information about your appointment is displayed. Here, search for the location address. Once you find it, click on it. This will trigger the Google Maps sidebar to appear on your screen. This sidebar is integrated right into your Google Calendar for your convenience. Next, in this Google Maps view, you'll see an option for directions. Go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your starting point, which could be your current location or any other address where you'll be starting your journey from. After entering your starting point, you'll be asked to select your mode of transportation. Google Maps offers several options such as driving, public transit, walking, and cycling. Choose the one that best fits how you intend to travel to your event. Each transportation method will provide different travel times and routes, so make sure to choose the one that aligns with your actual plans. Once you've selected your mode of transportation, Google Maps will suggest a variety of routes for you to consider. Review these suggestions carefully, taking into account factors like traffic conditions or public transit schedules. Once you've identified the route that works best for your schedule, select it. After choosing your route, you'll see an option to Add to Calendar. Click on this and Google Calendar will automatically create a new travel time event. This event will be placed right before your original appointment, ensuring you leave ample time for travel. By following these steps, you can efficiently incorporate travel times into your Google Calendar events, helping to keep your day on track. This feature is a simple yet effective way to manage your time and appointments more efficiently. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial enhances your calendar management experience.